Hello friends, welcome to Indispensable English. We have learnt all the 12 tenses with explanations and examples. We completed present tense more intensively in previous session. If you haven't watched the brief sketch of tenses video, I will give the link in the description. You can watch it. Let us see past tense in today's session. Simple past. What is simple past? An action which took place in the past. கடந்த காலத்தில் நிகழ்ந்த ஒரு நிகழ்ச்சியை சொல்கிறது தான் simple past tense. It is used to describe an action or event that took place in the past. S plus V2 plus O. Examples: she answered all the questions. They played well. Rita sang a melodious song. In all these examples, we can notice V2 form is used. V2 form of verb is used. She answered all the questions. So, answered. How can we divide? Did plus answer gives answered. Like that, for played, did plus play gives played. Did plus sing give sang. So for all the past tense we have to use the auxiliary verb did. She answered all the questions. They played well. Rita sang a melodious song. So keywords: yesterday, last week, last month and previous day. Now let us see past continuous tense. Past continuous tense can otherwise be called as past progressive tense. It refers to an ongoing event in the past. It takes an auxiliary verb was or were plus V1 plus ing. That is subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing plus O. While my mother was preparing food, I was doing my homework. While we were traveling, my friend called me. We were watching TV. In all these examples, we can see the auxiliary verb was, were plus V1 plus ing. In the first one, while my mother was preparing food. என்னுடைய மதர் ஃபுட்டு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி கொண்டிருந்த பொழுது நான் என்ன செஞ்சேன்? ஐ வாஸ் டூயிங் மை ஹோம்ஒர்க். கண்டினியூஸ் ஆக்ஷன் தட் டுக் பிளேஸ் இன் த பாஸ்ட். The second one also, while we were traveling, my friend called me. While we were traveling, நாங்கள் ட்ராவல் பண்ணி கொண்டிருந்த பொழுது என்னாச்சு? My friend called me. So it is also past continuous. It was going on. The action was going on in the past. We were watching TV. What we were doing? We were watching TV. So in all these sentences, we can notice auxiliary verb was or were plus V1 plus ing. So past continuous tense means we have to use ing form with auxiliary verb was or were. Past perfect tense. What is a past perfect tense? The past perfect tense indicates an event or an action completed prior to another point of time in the past. It normally takes an auxiliary verb had. S plus had plus V3 plus object. Examples: when I reached the station, the train had already left. They had visited the zoo last year. In all these examples, we can notice had. For past perfect tense, we have used had plus V3 form. That is very, very important. Whenever we use simple past, we have to use V2. Whenever we use past perfect continuous, we have to use auxiliary verb was or were plus V1 plus ing. For past perfect tense, we have to use had plus V3 form. That is, when I reached the station, the train had already left. Had plus V3 form, that is left. So there are two actions. In the first example, two actions took place. The action which took place first, we have used past perfect tense. That is, the train had already left. I reached the station, but the train had already left. The action of the train leaving took place first, and after that only I reached the station. So in the next one, they had visited the zoo last year. Also you can notice we have used had plus V3 form of the verb. So now let us see past perfect continuous tense. What is past perfect continuous tense? The past perfect continuous tense is used to stress the ongoing event that took place in the past. So whenever we use continuous, then it will be an ongoing event. Then as it is past perfect, it took place in the past, an ongoing event that took place in the past. It is often related with the simple past. It normally takes had been, that is S plus had plus been plus V1 plus ing. So past perfect continuous tense means immediately we should remember we have to use had been plus V1 plus ing. Whenever continuous or progressive tense come, we have to use ing form. As it is past perfect continuous, we have to use had plus been plus V1 plus ing. Examples: he had been working for several days before I met him. I had been staying in this house for many years. Naveen had been running a school during the medieval period. So now we can understand all this action was taking place continuously in the past. It is not happening now, but it was happening in the past. So it was past perfect continuous tense. Next, let us see affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences. Simple past, Ramya bought a new car last week. It is affirmative. How can we divide this bought? Did plus by gives bought. So we should always remember whenever past tense comes, we need to use the auxiliary verb did. The past tense form of by is bought. How it comes? By did plus by is bought. So Ramya bought a new car last week. For negative, Ramya did not buy a new car last week. Then for interrogative, did Ramya buy a new car last week? So we have to remember this past tense form of verb is divided by did plus present tense form. Did plus by gives bought. So we are using did not buy for negative, and for interrogative we are using did plus by. Did subject plus by. Did Ramya buy a new car last week? So past continuous we have already learned. We have to use auxiliary verb was or were plus V1 plus ing. So for affirmative we have to use was or were V1 plus ing. He was trying to learn Hindi. The next one, he was not trying to learn Hindi. Negative. Was he trying to learn Hindi? Interrogative. So all these sentences, past continuous tense, we are using the auxiliary verbs was or verb plus V1 plus ing. Now let us see past perfect. Past perfect, we have to use had plus V3 form. Whenever we tell perfect tense, we need to use V3 form. If it is present perfect, we can use have or has plus V3 form. Now we are talking about past perfect. So for all the persons, whether it is first person singular or plural, second person singular plural, third person singular plural, all we have to use had plus V3 form. So the children had played in the ground, that is affirmative. The children had not played in the ground, negative. Had the children played in the ground, interrogative. Now let us see past perfect continuous tense. So what is past perfect continuous tense? Past perfect continuous tense, we have already seen an action that took place in the past continuously, but it is not going to happen now. Students had been planting trees, affirmative. Students had not been planting trees, negative. Had the students been planting trees, interrogative. So for past perfect continuous tense, we have to use had been plus V1 plus ing. So now we have completed past tense in today's session. Hope you have got clear idea about past tense. If you have any doubt or suggestions, please comment in the comment box. Share this video with your friends. Like, comment and subscribe for more grammar lessons. Let us meet in the next session with more useful information in grammar. Thank you so much for watching.